Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can export iPhone contacts to Gmail account. So first, make sure your iPhone contacts are synced to your iCloud account. To do that, go to your settings and then here, tap on Apple ID and then go to iCloud and then tap on the show all and make sure you toggle on your contacts. Now once done, open your browser on your computer and search for iCloud.com. And here, you just need to sign in your Apple ID and your password. Once done, click on the contacts right here on the dashboard, and then you will find all your contacts from your iCloud. And basically, right from here, so all you need to do is just select all of this one and then click on this icon at the right side of your screen and then click on export vcard. Now once done here, you want to go to your Google account and log in your account. So basically go to contacts.google.com. So we're going to add a new tab here and search for contacts.google.com. And also you just need to sign in your Gmail account. And then here on the side menu, right here on the left side of your screen, you just have to click on the import option and then locate the exported contacts. So click on select file button and select the exported contacts. Once done, click on import and there you go. It should now be back up on your Google account. So that's it. That's how you basically export iPhone contacts to your Gmail account. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.